All right, so it is August 18th, 2022, and I am not here today. So today you guys are going to work on a cube collaborative mural. Um, for those of you who had me 2 years ago, we did do this 2 years ago, but I thought it'd be a good idea since we're doing review mostly for this month and next month. So this is based on an artist called Thank You X, a street artist, and he's an LA-based street artist. This is an alias. I don't know what his real name is off the top of my head, but a lot of street artists do that. So if you want to have an alias, you can come up with your own alias too, and I will call you that. So for some reason, the name was given to him by accident. I think because he put this on one of his works that he put on the street. It's basically just a stencil, so he had something cut out, maybe cardboard or plexiglass, and then he spray painted that, probably in many, many different places. So, this is basically what people thought was his signature, and so that's what he was called, right? So this is kind of what we're going to do, all right? So each of you is going to do one part of this, one part of the cube, and we're going to put this up out in the hallway outside of the art room, okay? Here are a couple more examples. Now, for you guys, you don't have to do this kind of abstract thing on your sides, but I just want you to think about something that represents you. Okay, so we'll skip over this. Look at these couple of examples, and this will be pretty big. It'll be way bigger than what he's holding here, so because all the art classes are going to do this. All right, so again, this is a collaborative cube drawing similar to his style, and each of you are going to create two sides of a cube, right? So you'll see three sides of a cube, right? You'll see the top, the left, and the right side of the cube. And you're going to do two sides, the left and the right, not the top. The top will just leave blank to make it easier and also to make it more cohesive as well. Okay. We'll just leave it white, I think. And again, the sides of the cube can be any pattern or design that is unique to you. Basically, I want something that represents you on there. It can be more abstract, or it can be, some kind of characters or flowers or, animals, whatever it is that's unique to you. All right. So you'd be graded on time management for this. You have this class period to do it, and then I'll give you another class period some other time. I don't know whether it'll be tomorrow or the next day. It depends on how the scheduling goes. Okay. Make sure you do put a lot of effort, try your best in this, and you have to create two sides of the cube, not three, not one, but two sides. Okay. So I do want you to create a pattern design that fills the shape, or in this case, I probably should say form, because it is a three-dimensional cube, something that's unique to you. And also, I want to make sure you do it very neatly. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is, take one of those yellow sheets of paper, and you're going to make a rough sketch of what you want to do. All right. Try and come up with something that represents you, you know, but for the most part, I'm not really worried about the design right now. Since I'm not there today, well, I'll take a look at them when I get back. Okay? Again, we won't use a top side for this. So once you finished your rough sketch, take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do that rough sketch, and then go ahead and get a cube template, which is up front. Get a cube template, and then draw your design in. All right, draw it in pencil first, and then after that, you can go over it with pen. Okay. So you might not have time to color it in. Almost definitely you won't, depending on your design. But again, that's okay. As I said, you won't be able to color it in today, but I'll give you a time another day to do it. All right. So go ahead and get this done for today. Get the drawing for the template. Everybody should have a template done. Make sure you write your name at the top of the template and put that cube template back into the little cubby with your period on it, right? Either first, second, seventh, or eighth, right? So there's the cubbies on the left-hand side. Go ahead and put that into that cubby there, and I'll put that into your grade book, all right? So have a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.